wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I hope that you all are having a great day. So my name is Angel, and in today's video I will be doing a quick cleanup of my kitchen. I hope that you guys are motivated also to take care of a space in your home.
Saying you're moving back. When were you gone?
Okay guys, so if you have some laundry, cleaning, or some type of chores you need to get done, come on, let's get up and get these done together.
Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
As you might have noticed, I have the same outfit as my last week's laundry video, so I filmed both of these videos on the same day.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
So here I am just trying to find a new home for my new blender and food processor that I just purchased. My old blender was about 10 years old and it took about 30 minutes to make a smoothie. So it was definitely time for me to invest in a new one. But there's not very much room for me to store all of my appliances anymore. So I definitely need to do some reorganizing of my cabinets soon.
I'm about to lose my mind.
So if anyone is wondering, I ended up getting the Ninja blender and food processor. I researched this blender for a really long time and it had really good reviews. I'm the type of person that always researches a lot and then I'll think on it forever before I purchase something because I'm cheap. So I really want to make sure that I get my money's worth. But this one had, like I said, it had really good reviews, and it's really been working out well for us because our old one was about to conk out on us. It took forever to blend up anything, and then we still had to shake it up and chop everything up, and it was just taking way too long to make a smoothie. So this one has been working out great. So I'm very happy with my purchase, just in case anyone wants to know.
Maybe go blind.
So when I am cleaning, I like to clean one side of my kitchen first. So I'll get this completely cleaned up and then I'll move on to the next side. So that way I feel like I'm accomplished. I'm halfway done. So it makes me feel better that I have half of the kitchen clean.
We ain't got the time.
I'm going for broke, yeah, I'm all in. It's all on the table, let's sink or swim. I'm ready to lay it on the line, yeah. But it's like every move I get shut down. I'm down for the count, falling to the ground. Now you gotta tell me just what you want, just what you want, just what you want. And don't let me walk on broken water. Don't make me push it any further. Why do you wanna make it wrong? I'm trying to hold on, so please, yeah. And don't let me walk on broken water. Don't let us sink into the darkness. I wish I could read what's on your mind. You're stepping out of line, can't do no more. Gone are the days of forgiveness. You take so much more while you're giving less. I'm shaking my head while I'm counting down. I'm counting down, yeah. But I remember a time when our hearts burned. We held back the night and we owned the world. Can we find a way back? Find a way back. Can we find a way back? And don't let me walk away.
So if this is your first time watching my videos, thank you so much for being here. My name is Angel and I am a wife and a mom. I work from home on night shift. I've been doing that for about 3 years now. And on my channel, you will find grocery hauls, cleaning videos, organizing, and decorating. So if that is something that you are interested in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that like button and also turn on those notifications so you will be notified when I upload another video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here and continue to support my channel.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated different.
So if you guys are not currently following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at nightshift_mom.
We're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there. Don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up. We should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus. Don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right. But when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Ooh, yeah.
You say it's special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again. 'Cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help. 'Cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry.
So y'all, I be in my own little world when I am cleaning, because most of the time I listen to music while I'm cleaning. So on this particular day, I was jamming, y'all. So let me tell y'all a secret though. I cannot dance and I don't have any rhythm, but you can't tell me nothing when I'm cleaning in my own little world. But honestly, I forget that the camera is on and I get to dance, and y'all, don't laugh at me.
Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend,
something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny how much you mean to me? I can't get my head around how we used to be. You said you love me, and I gave my heart. You cannot care less, you were tearing me apart. Oh, I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Oh, convincing me this cannot be. Trying to find another way. Yeah.
So that is going to wrap up today's video. I ended up having to run out to pick up something for dinner. So I do appreciate you guys watching this video today. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. See you guys in the next one. Bye.
So give me something now. Oh.